An old man goes to the doctor. He complains that his wife can't hear. The doctor says, "You need to test your wife. Stand far behind her and ask her a question. Then start going closer to her. You will see how close you'll get when she hears you." The old man is happy that he can help his wife. He runs home. He sees that his wife is making dinner. "Honey," the man says, standing 20 feet away. "What are we having for dinner?" he asks. The wife doesn't reply. The man tries again. He stands 15 feet away, but there is no answer. He stands 10 feet away and asks again. No answer. Finally, he is 5 feet away. "Honey, what are we having for dinner?" "I've told you 4 times. Lasagna."